important to recognize those two people. So Kylie and Georgie, please come.
Aww.
They typed up prop lists, they helped people direct them. A lot of it was them and all of them together. So one more round of applause for Victor.